Hello everyone, this is Anvesha Banik. Welcome back to my channel, The Learning Aid Anvesha. Today I'll be speaking on a very serious issue that is acting as a threat for human survival. Yes, the paragraph topic for today is environmental pollution, which has become a global concern. I have tried to cover in a brief format the causes and effects behind this global phenomenon and why there is a need to check our irresponsible attitude towards nature. Basically, what we are doing for years is destroying our own safe shelter, our Mother Earth. It's high time that we should treat nature with utmost love and care because the realities are utterly horrifying. So friends, have your subscriptions and press the bell icon that will show you some options. Click the first option to get notified about all my channel activities. Environmental pollution is a global phenomenon. It is one of the major hazards that is threatening the ecological balance. With the advent of modern technology, its lack of prudential utility making the earth a place unfit for human survival. The air that we inhale is polluted, the water we drink is contaminated, and on top of that, noise pollution has managed to take away the calmness and serenity from our otherwise hectic lives. The disasters are too many to enumerate. Enumerate is to list. One of the main sources of pollution is the heavy and congested traffic, which causes concentration of smoke and harmful particles in the atmosphere. This is a permanent cause of various respiratory disorders, the careless felling of trees, building of dams, and unplanned construction of localities have disturbed the ecological balance at an alarming rate. Burning of fossil fuels, emission of toxic smoke by the factories, refrigeration gas, etc. are playing havoc in the ozone layer depletion that protects the earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. To rectify this situation, the urgent need is to plant as many trees wherever possible and to shift the factories and mills to places where their effect on environment pollution is minimized. Carpools must be made so that the emission levels from vehicular traffic can be controlled. The ecological imbalance, global warming, etc. are horrifying realities. So the world community should do something to save this beautiful planet from man-made disasters. On that note, it's time to bid bye, reminding you all to have your subscriptions, like, share and comment your opinion about today's topic. Take care of yourself and everything around you. Bye-bye.